Hey guys, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to work on my mower. This thing has been great, but the self-drive on it went out a little while ago, and so it's not really been working all that well for me.
Well, it still runs like a top, you said, right?
Yeah, it runs great. It's just that the self-propelled portion has given up the ghost.
First thing we're going to do is disconnect this spark plug. We're going to have to stand her up on end to access the drive.
Okay.
And remove that blade out of the way. We don't want it to accidentally get ugly.
Yeah, that's always a good idea to disconnect the spark plug before you work on any mower. All right.
How these things work is there's a belt that feeds off of the drive shaft that runs the blade, and it feeds up to a transmission up here. So it may be a transmission, but it may simply be the belt that's giving up the ghost. To be honest, I've never worked on one of these before, but
There's a first time for everything.
Fully, the belt's not even in the groove.
All right. Well, take a look at that. So the belt jumped off the pulley.
It should be down here.
Yeah, it's not in the groove.
So that would definitely stop her from driving. Well, and it may have been because there was so much dirt underneath this thing, and we did clean it up before we got started. But there you go, just like that. It's back on.
Now that belt looks
yeah, she's definitely
pretty old there.
She's definitely seen better days.
Right.
But,
so
let's see if we can figure out how to get the rest of this cover off the top. And it looks like it's just a couple more bolts. And those, by the way, are 10 millimeter.
So it looks like there was, what, 2 bolts holding on that top plate?
Yeah, it looks like just the 2 on the bottom and then 2 on the top. So as much as anything, I want to take this off just to clean out any debris. I'm sure that is our problem, and you can see where we haven't cleaned out underneath here.
Trying to say there's a lot of buildup in there.
What a bit. So it looks like, well, all I need to do is replace the belt, and she looks like she's definitely overdue for a blade. So let's go ahead and pop this stuff off, and we can try to source this stuff from our local Toro dealer.
All right. Parts hunting time.
Yep.
All right. Well, we were going to go parts hunting, but we figured it'd be better to get all the parts off of here that we need so we can take them with us, make sure we have the right stuff.
This is a bit of a learning process for me because, like I said, I've never changed one of these belts. here, yeah, there's 3 S2, it's a square drive screws that takes this bracket off, and that's going to get the belt out. So see if there's no information on the belt. That's a 5/8. She's been on there a while.
Impact time. All right, well, we got the impact. See if this makes life. That was so much simpler.
Yeah, I agree. There's our huckleberry, that's what we need.
So a belt and a blade. Now we'll go parts hunting. All right, so after a trip to Home Depot and probably about $35 later, looks like we've got both the parts we need. We picked up a blade and a belt, so time to install them. All right, Brian, reassembly time.
It's time to put it all back together.
Started out at the top. So much easier to do without the belt, huh? I mean, without the blade on there. Okay. So lifting the handle lined it all back up? Or it helped line it back up?
Yeah, it made it much easier.
Okay. What's biting you?
It threads through this, through the deck, and into the plastic cover that's on the top.
Okay.
So, clamps right together.
All right. All right, all reassembled.
Done. Done and done. And don't forget to hook your spark plug back up. That's it. We should be ready to give her a test run and cut grass.
Alright guys, as you can see, we tested it out and it seems to be running great now. So it was a belt, and while we were at it, we just put a new blade on there as well. So
Check the oil, but the oil on it looks like brand new.
oil looks good, so it's ready to cut grass. And so thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.